how to broadcast on PS4. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Hemi Jarvis. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to broadcast on PlayStation 4. All right. To do this is very simple, very easy. All you have to do is watch this entire video to the very end. You don't want to miss out on any important steps. All right. Another thing, guys, if this video helped you out at all, I mean, if it helped you out even a little bit, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because a simple thumbs up will help my channel grow. And the more my channel grow, the more I can provide content for you guys. All right. Now, let me show you how to broadcast on your PlayStation 4 console. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is make sure you log in your PlayStation account and turn on whatever game that you want to be playing. Like, for instance, let me go back. So go into any one of these games, right? That's the first thing you want to do. Go into whatever game you want to play. If it's Grand Theft Auto, play Grand Theft Auto. Whatever game you want to broadcast, go ahead and pick it. All right, that's the first thing you do. So let's say I want to broadcast about Fortnite. I would first go into Fortnite. As you can see, I've already done right here. And let me just pick a gameplay real quick before I show you guys. Let me say, where is it? Go to, where is, okay, right here. All right, let me just hit triangle. So basically, you want to start playing a game. Go to your gameplay. Make sure you got the game that you want to broadcast. And once this come on, I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do next. Let's just give it some time to load. It's not going to take long. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, by the way. And subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. It will help me help my channel grow. And the more my channel grow, the more I'm going to provide more content for you guys. But yeah, let's just wait until this game starts. And then I'm going to show you guys what to do next. All right, so here's the game. Let's say I want to broadcast this. I want to broadcast it on YouTube. So what I would do and what you would do is you would hit this button on your PlayStation controller. It's the share button. Let me turn on this light so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a share button right here on your controller, on your PlayStation 4 controller. Go ahead and push that button. All right, once you hit that button, you should see a screen pop up that looks like this. Now, let me make sure the camera's clean so y'all can see that. All right, so if you look over there, you see all the features that come. Okay, come on. I mean, all the features that pop up. So check this out. What you're going to do to broadcast, guys, you're simply going to go to this broadcast gameplay setting right here. All right, you hit broadcast gameplay and you pick which platform you want to broadcast on. Me personally, I like to broadcast my videos straight to YouTube, so I will go to YouTube. But if you want to broadcast to Twitch, then just hit Twitch. So I'm gonna go to YouTube since I want to broadcast my video gameplay on YouTube for you guys to see. So go to YouTube, boom. All right, now once I hit broadcast, right here, you can look through here to see what to see how you want to set up your broadcast. So for example, let's say you want to turn on your, oh, here we go, communicating settings. First, set your communication settings. This is important. If you want to talk into a microphone, be sure to have your microphone plugged in so that you can speak. I got a Blue Yeti mic. Let me just plug that in just to show y'all, give y'all an example of what it'll look like. So this is a Blue Yeti microphone. If you guys have any kind of microphone, make sure you plug it in so that you can use it to talk. All right, so I just plugged in my Blue Yeti. I'm gonna show y'all what to do next. Keep watching. All right. So now I have my Blue Yeti microphone plugged in. So now you can go ahead and check this on this box right here. The mic box, go ahead. Let me zoom in. Sorry about that, y'all. I got to zoom in because I don't know if y'all can see that real good. Zoom in right there. All right, so I'm going to check that because now I got my mic plugged up and I want to be able to speak through my mic so that you guys can hear me talking while I'm playing the game. So Now that my mic is on, let me go ahead and show y'all what to do next. Right here in this section, you want to choose a good title. Don't use the regular title that's right here because this sucks. This ain't gonna help your views at all or anything like that. So let's change this title. I'm gonna delete this by clicking the square, and you just delete it all the way. All right, now let's make a title. So the game we playing is Fortnite. So I'm just gonna say Fortnite. Oh darn it. Oh, let's just say Fortnite. Just do what I do in this video, and you guys should be broadcasted in no time. Fortnite. Fortnite gameplay. Gameplay video. Well, let's just put Fortnite gameplay and hit done. All right, so I called it Fortnite gameplay. Make you a small description, and this is going to be your title and description that's going to show up on your YouTube channel. So if you want to just say something like, shoot, I'm playing Fortnite. All right, playing Fortnite. You can put whatever you want. Fortnite. All right, it really doesn't matter what you put there, but I just put playing Fortnite for example. So basically just showing y'all how to set up the broadcast. All right, so the quality, 1080p is the standard. You can do 720 if you want to go lower, or you can do a high 6 FPS gameplay. So it's whatever you want to do. I'm gonna stick with a standard 1080p because that's really all you need. When you do like, sometimes when you operating with like a high resolution, it kind of slows everything down. So sometimes it's best to just use like 1080p standard and stuff like that because it'll just make everything run pretty smooth. All right, so we got 1080p. We're gonna go down to privacy. What is that? Privacy. Leave that alone. Hold on. Oh yeah, okay. So public. Yeah, anyone can see it. Yep, that's what we want to leave that on. Tags. I'm gonna put one tag here. You can put as many tags as you want, but I start off just by putting one. I'll put like Fortnite gameplay. All right, I'm gonna show you guys this gameplay actually working too on my YouTube channel. So you hit Fortnite gameplay, hit done, boom. All right, and then include online ID and tags. Include online ID and tags. No, you can check this if you want to. Sometimes it's good to put your name in your tag. So I mean, you could check that if you want to. You don't have to. Send invitation. Nope. So now you just hit start broadcast. All right, the button right here, start broadcast. And as you can see, it's loading. The broadcast is loading up. And there it is, guys. Look like they already had killed me, so I gotta restart the game. Let me see. But yeah, basically the broadcast has started. So now what you're seeing right now, this is showing up on my YouTube channel. So I'm live, and let me show y'all my YouTube channel just to show y'all that it's live and stuff like that. Hold on. All right, so here is my YouTube channel, right? So let me just type in this. Hold on, let me type in my name, which is Hemi Jarvis. So when you type in your YouTube name, you will see that this video is live now. If you go to your YouTube channel, see Fortnite gameplay. Remember, I named it Fortnite gameplay. So you see it right there. And this is what's happening right now. So I'm live, as you can see right here, live now. So that means that the broadcast is working like right now as we speak. Sometimes you might want to refresh your screen on YouTube. But there it is, guys. That's going on right now on my TV. So just to show y'all proof. And matter of fact, some of y'all gonna type in the comment section right there as well. Boom, it's live. I'm broadcasting live. All right, so Now it looked like the screen went back to normal on my TV. So it's going to do the same on the computer in a minute here. So let me look at the computer. Boom, do the same thing. All right, so we live. And that is how you broadcast on YouTube. I mean, that is how to broadcast on PS4. Hopefully this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, guys, if it helped you out at all. And be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm trying to get this channel to 100,000 subscribers. I will highly appreciate it if you guys help out with that. I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.